Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Citibank, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by researching Citibank and their investment services. Visit the official Citibank website to explore their offerings. Create an account if you don't already have one. Gather necessary documents such as identification and proof of address. Log into your Citibank account after registration. Navigate to the investment section of the website. Choose the type of investment that interests you. Consider options such as stocks, bonds, mutual. Take a moment to review the educational resources provided by Citibank. Familiarize yourself with the terms, risks, and potential returns associated with your chosen investments. Set your investment goals clearly. Determine how much money you want to invest initially. Look into any required minimum deposits for your selected investment products. Allocate time to understand the fees associated with your investments. After selecting your investments, proceed to fund your account. Choose your funding method, such as transferring funds from an existing bank account. Review the transaction details before confirming the transfer. Once your account is funded, go back to the investment section. Execute your chosen investment by selecting the amount and confirming your purchase. Keep track of your investments through the Citibank platform. Set up alerts and notifications for updates on your investments. Regularly review your investment strategy and adjust as needed based on market conditions. Stay informed about financial news and updates that may impact your investments. Consider consulting a financial advisor if you need personalized guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.